If your dishwasher isn't draining properly, or you're noticing water pooling at the bottom, it might be time to check the drain hose. Over time, food particles, grease, and debris can clog the hose, reducing water flow and potentially leading to bigger issues. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step on how to clean dishwasher drain hose, ensuring smooth drainage and keeping your dishwasher running like new. First things first, make sure to unplug the dishwasher and turn off the water supply to avoid any mishaps. Then locate the drain hose. In most cases, the drain hose runs from the back of your dishwasher to the sink, drain, or garbage disposal. You'll likely need to pull the dishwasher out from the wall a bit to access it. Once you've located the hose, the next step in how to clean dishwasher drain hose is disconnecting it. Use a screwdriver or pliers to loosen the clamp holding the hose in place. Then gently detach the hose from the dishwasher and sink connection. Be cautious, as there might be some water left in the hose, so have a towel or small bucket handy to catch any drips. Now let's get to the actual cleaning. Run warm water through the hose to flush out any loose debris. If you encounter stubborn blockages, use a flexible brush or even a straightened out wire coat hanger to carefully dislodge them. Be gentle, as you don't want to puncture or damage the hose. For extra cleaning power, you can also soak the hose in a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap, which helps dissolve any grease buildup inside. After thoroughly cleaning the hose, rinse it out with clean water to remove any soap residue. Then you're ready to reattach it. Secure the hose back onto the dishwasher and sink connection, tightening the clamp to ensure it's firmly in place. Once reattached, slide your dishwasher back into position and reconnect the power and water supply. To finish up how to clean dishwasher drain hose, run a test cycle on the dishwasher. This will help you ensure that water drains correctly and that there are no leaks. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully cleaned your dishwasher drain hose. Regularly following these steps every few months can prevent clogs from forming, keeping your dishwasher working efficiently. With this simple maintenance, you'll avoid bigger plumbing issues down the line and keep your dishwasher performing at its best. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions about how to clean dishwasher drain hose, don't hesitate to reach out. A little upkeep goes a long way in extending the life of your dishwasher, and I'm here to help keep things running smoothly.